Okay, today I'm going to show you how to flash a custom recovery, which is software like TWRP, Orange Fox Recovery, Pitch Black, and many more. Now, the custom recovery is software that's supposed to give you more functionality and help you to flash a custom ROM. So this is basically the footstep to going now into a custom ROM. So now what you're going to do, you load your phone up, you connect it on your computer when it's in download mode. You can look how to get your device download mode process, how to boot into it. You can look depending on your device. So when that's in download mode and connected, you'll see it's detected here. So now you go to AP. That's where the recovery sits. AP, don't mix it up. So now I go to the download. And an important thing is to make sure you get the TWRP for your actual device. As you can see, I have the A23 and I have for the tablet. Since I'm flashing the tablet, I'll need the TWRP for the tablet. This is really important. So now I'll add that. You can see it's okay. Now options, I don't want to boot automatically, so I'll turn off auto reboot and start. It takes a few seconds. Yeah, and you can see it's basically done in 6 seconds. So that's that. It's already flashed. Now what you do is you reboot into recovery. Now for my case, I'm supposed to follow these instructions to restart: volume down and the side key, which is the power button. So I hold that and then I hold the power up button immediately when the screen goes off. So I'm supposed to hold that and then the device will boot into recovery even if it takes a bit. I'm just supposed to hold it until it goes into TWRP recovery. So let's try that. Yeah. So now I'm restarting, I'm holding it. Now I'm holding the power up button. As you can see, it's loading up. Oh, sorry. I've followed the wrong thing. Sorry. Let me hold the power up button. I was following the download mode, how to go into download mode instead of holding the power up button. But anyway, my bootloader is unlocked. Yes, I know. I'm not going to press the power key. It's just going to go. And you'll also get this nice warning. So it will take a bit. It usually takes a few seconds, but I'm still holding it, holding. Secured by Knox. Knox is dead. There you go. We have booted in. So now we're basically done. And yeah, what we're supposed to do next is, since we have the official farm, we're supposed to go to wipe, then format data, YE. Yes. As you can see, it's saying format data will wipe all your apps, backups. This cannot be undone. Type yes to continue. So I've typed yes. Okay. Then it's just going to flash. Let me just put it like that. Sorry. So now you can see it's done. And now it's asking me to back or reboot. Now, since this is instructions based on my device, what you're supposed to do now can vary. Some devices allow you to just put the zip file of the custom ROM and then just install it. But now my device, I have to reboot, then go to fast boot and flash using the fast boot method. So yeah, I can't flash using the regular method. Using the install, I cannot. The device does not allow me to. So I'll have to sideload it. And in my case, I'm going to use the fast boot method. So click fast boot. And the funny thing is, this device does not even have like its own native fast boot. So I'm just using the TWRP fast boot. So, but basically that's it. That's how you boot into TWRP. This video is basically done, and I'll continue more in the next one. So yeah, that's it. Let me boot into fast boot, and the next video will be more on my flashing journey.